pink clip to highlight the black and green uniform of Philippine Army. Ferrer. Phil Cainglet, unmarked.
Beautiful hit coming from Phil Cainglet. But you know, alam mo, so far, itong si Jem Ferrer holding her own, having 16 excellent set points. Si Salak having 16 also.
Kaya naman mahigpit ang ating labanan dito sa second set. Salak. Lamang na siya.
Lamang na. Dalia Cruz on a quick hit.
Tignan natin ang nangyari dito sa last sequence.
Ganda ng execution. Tamang-tama yung height para kay Dalia Cruz. And nobody was even there to defend for the Ateneo Lady Eagles.
And for the benefit of our viewers, hindi madaling mag-set ng ganyan. Patay na patay yung bola eh.
Yan yung mga nakakahiya sa setter mo pag na-miss mo.
Yes.
Si Tina Salak is one of the few setters na yung may ganyang mahihiya ka eh. Kasi patay na patay, basang-basa mo yung mikasa eh.
Mapapanood nyo rin kami, hindi lamang dito sa Pilipinas, kundi sa GMA Live TV.
Yep.
Nice.
Right to all the Filipinos and also mga Americans and mga foreigners, volleyball fans get to appreciate the very beautiful Filipinas playing wild volleyball.
Ano na among shout out ng tourism eh.
Oo, syempre, di ba? Para
Pwede yan,
makita nila.
sports tourism, pwede yan. Game Balse to Michelle Carolino na tahimik dito sa second set. Jem Ferrer once again going to Cainglet. Balse, Salak rejected by Patmongon. Oh, rejected again. Nakatapat siya ng kasintangkad dyan.
Sabi niya, aba?
Ferrer once again, this time going to Ateneo, buhay na buhay sa second set. Once again, 3 puntos na abante for Team Ateneo.
And si Atan Torres so far with 11 digs, Lazaro with 6 sa reception, Torres again with 5, Lazaro having only 1. Si Shea, pag nakita mong maglaro, gustong-gusto pa niya pag malakas yung palo eh. Tapos yung napuputo niya.
Ano yan? Hindi.
Happy pa siya eh.
Alam mo, sa iba, yes, madali. Routine sa kanila. Pero after a while, namamanhid na kasi yan eh dahil sa katatama. Pero para sa mga bagito, yung pamumula niyan, mga 2 araw bago matanggal. Zigar Vasho started out the scoring race for Ateneo here in the second set. Attacking Carolino. Ferrer once again, this time going to Vasho. Salak fails to retrieve. And for the second set, here in the second technical timeout, Ateneo lamang ng 3 laban sa Philippine Army. Dito sa ating second set, Ateneo namamayagpag pagkatapos nilang matalo doon sa first set, 25-16. Dito, abante sila 16-13 as Patmongon prepares to serve for Team Ateneo.
Well, so far, Coach, in this second set, Army 9 points, attack points. Ateneo with 8 attack points. Cainglet with 3 in this set, and Hervasio with 2.
Yan ang mga naging dahilan kung bakit abante pa rin ang Ateneo kontra sa favored team ng Philippine Army up to this point of the second set. Let's see how Dalia Cruz will be able to hold up sa kanyang service to try and push Philippine Army closer dito sa Ateneo. Dalia Cruz.
Oh, nice short stab.
Hindi mo alam kung saan dadalhin, no? Kala mo, hanggang dulo, floater, lumabas yung running serve na yon. You can just imagine the countless times that she has worked on perfecting this serve. Ang hirap niyan. May ngiti pa eh.
Oh, that equalizing that point, an error.
Oops.
On the second try.
I should try to go for a different angle. If it's Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Lisa Valdez calmly preparing to serve for Ateneo. 17-15, second set. Dalia Cruz, Tina Salak.
And no one was there for the Philippine Army. Late was Mayet Carolino to save that ball. So Ateneo takes that point.
There's Iratay making her first entry.
So it's a full front line for the Ateneans. At Philippine Army making sure they're in the right position.
Isang puntos na naman yan.
Pagpito niyan.
Pagpito niyan, Iling. Iratay going to Carolino.
And that's going to be a net violation on Michelle as Ateneo again with a point as they are now up by 4 points in the second set.
Sa ganitong klaseng laban, malaking kalamangan na to for Ateneo. 19-15, Lisa Valdez with her second serve. Carolino, Iratay. Oh, that's too near the net. Errors hurting Philippine Army. 4 straight errors para sa kanila. 5 na ang abante rito ng Lady Eagles.
Hey guys, lapit kayo, lapit. Uy, hindi tayo pwedeng sumabay na isa't isa lang kailangan natin patayin, bigay na puntos. Bakit tayo na-score, tayo nag-ahabol, dapat tayong umatake ng mataas. Tayo nagpapababa eh. Yung spiker sa kabila, hindi nyo inaayos yung pagbablock. Pinapabayaan nyo lang, easy nyo lang. Dapat nga, dumidip.
Madong pagpapaalala ni Corporal sa kanyang Lady Troopers.
As we see our last play of that set, Mayet Carolino was trying to save it. Pinapatama niya sana sa blocker para mag-outside, but no go. It still went into their court as Ateneo scores another one and it's 5 points up.
And 5 points away from winning the second set. Oh, a free ball once again for Philippine Army. Gretchen Ho, another point for Ateneo.
Ito, coach, will be really a test of character more
Yes.
for the Ateneo team if they're able to close this set against the Philippine Army.
At ating lang ipunto, Ateneo has dropped its last 3 games. This coming after winning their first 2 games. Lisa Valdez trying to end that slump. Torres, Iratay saving. Oh,
What a save by Big Bounce! At nagulat si Gretchen Ho
Hindi
on
lang
that
siya, pati
return.
tayo nagulat. Imagine mo yan, about 5'11", siya pa yung pinakamabilis yumuko. Because of that effort, that will bring in Rachel Daquis at the front row. 16 serving 21, Carolino on deck for Philippine Army. Zigar Vash to Ferrer. Kainglet, good read by Iratay. Carolino to Daquis. Yes.
Just enough power to let that ball
Mahirap din yan kay Rachel, ano? Mosi, no? Dahil labas-pasok siya nang hindi pa siya ganun katalagang pinapawisan. Pero expected to perform. Pero yun yung acceptance ng roles na tinatawag, eh, no?
Yes, that's right. It's a new role for her, but something she's to play. Oh, and again, poor reception on the poor second ball on the
Yes.
Philippine Army. That's why, eto, hindi na napalo ni Rachel.
Ay, nagkaroon ng kumpulan doon si Iratay at si Ging Balse. Doon sa gitnang area for Philippine Army. Ateneo 3 points away from winning the second set. 5 points ahead. Philippine Army. Herbacio.
Oh, nice, sharp, powerful serve from Z.
Daquis with a difficult angle. Jem Ferrer going to Kainglet once again. Good dig by Rachel Daquis. Back set. Iratay. Point for Mayet Carolino.
Good decision on the part of Ersi Ratay on the back set.
After a few points, Dina Salak back inside for Philippine Army. Could be the last push for the black and green here in the second set. The Mikasa MVA 300 is the new official game ball of the Shakey's V-League Season 8. Mayet Carolina with that serve. Jem Ferrer going to Gretchen Ho. Kainglet.
Oh, turn
Rejected.
back.
Yes. Mabalik yan.
Chance for the Philippine Army to be offensive.
2 blockers rejecting Phil Kainglet. Mayet Carolino. Daquis again.
Too much to handle for Alisa Valdez. Ano po si Rachel Ann kahit darting in and out. 5 points
Yes.
to her name in this second set alone.
So near, yet so far for the Lady Eagles. As the Lady Troopers, courtesy of Rachel Daquis, nagtatakang humabol dito, Mosi. Naghabol pa rin sila ng 3 puntos, 22-19.
So, kaya ko nga yung character natin na yung matitest in this set. They're able to close this out. Ang lapit na eh. Diba? At still playable. Great save by Z. Herbacio. Lazaro. Oh, but right away, Daquis.
Combination play. Dina Salak upon her entry here once again dito sa second set. Mas sharper. And more importantly, yung serve ni Mayet Carolino key for Philippine Army. A fault dito sa isang serve dito. Mabigat at malalapit ang Ateneo para tapusin ang second set. Carolino. This time, Lazaro up to the task. Phil Kainglet against 2 blockers. Markado na naman ang pader ng Phil Kainglet. Oh!
It's going to be a net violation. combination and Rachel Dakis.
Alam mo, tama yung
Ateneo,
wrist niya, pero
yes.
pag niya ng wrist niya, sa tangkad niya, na-slam dunk niya.
Ateneo needing only 2 points to close the second set.
Gretchen Ho for Team Ateneo. Floater. Ging Balsa to Salak. That's too near.
Oh, and that's going to be near. That was near the net and the overset kasi tatama doon sa antena. Oh, don't look now. Ateneo, only 1 point. 1 point shy in getting the second set.
Gretchen Ho will try to finish this set for Ateneo. Too low, but Dakis able to manufacture a shot.
Not just yet.
21 for Philippine Army, 24 for Team Ateneo. Philippine Army ahead by a set. Very long second set after we saw that first set over in about 19 minutes. Touchdown!
Oh, but that was a sort of a miss hit coming from Kainglet.
2 points away itong Philippine Army, pero ang Ateneo naghahanap ng isang puntos to close out.
Just
This second
1 point to win the second set. Oh, what Ging Ball said! Even closer.
Ito, dodolangin dito ang Lady Eagles dahil ito ang kanilang tinanggap nung 23rd point ng Philippine Army.
Instant offense on the line coming
Di na
from
inantay
Mary
mga
Balse.
depensa,
Oh,
eh.
wala na, set.
Very sharp serve.
Takes us, gives us to the third set and gives Ateneo a set in this game.
Big decision coming from Jem Ferrer. And they take away a set from Philippine Army to equalize this match at a set apiece.
As you can see, our shaky shake and play of the set, well deserved. Jem Ferrer taking the risk and taking the bacon home.